Hey guys, today I have an important and exciting announcement to make, and by the title of the video you would have already guessed it, that I'm having a meet and greet in Mumbai. A lot of SJ fam members wanted a meet and greet in Mumbai, and this is the first time I'm visiting the city, so I thought I should keep a meet and greet. This is so unplanned, so impromptu, and I'm so damn excited for it. This is not like a planned event or anything. It's going to be more like we can chill together, have a cup of coffee or something, and I'm just going to give you the details of the event in a while. But before that, I would like to say a big thank you to each and every one of SJ fam, every member of SJ fam, for making everything that's happening possible. This means a lot to me, like coming, being able to meet you guys and hang out with you guys, click selfies with you guys. I feel the one who's more blessed and who is more privileged and everything to be able to meet so many of my family members. And yes, and this is getting really scenty. I should stay to the excited part. So yes, the event is gonna, like the meet and greet, it's not like an event or anything, as I just said. It's gonna be more like, friends chilling together, having a cup of coffee and something of that sort. So yes, that's what I totally believe in, because it's not an event. I'm not a celeb who's going to meet you and like that. It's more like family meeting, friends meeting and chilling and catching up and everything of that sort. So yes, the meet and greet is gonna be on the 10th of this month, that is 10th July 2015. I know, just like 4 days remaining. This is crazy and this is like way too impromptu, but let's do this, guys. Let's do this. It's a Friday. So yes, it's on the 10th of this month, and it's gonna be at Palladium Mall in Costa Coffee. I don't even know where that is because I've never been to Mumbai, and this is just like a 3-day trip. I'm gonna land in Mumbai on the 9th, and I'm gonna fly back on the 11th. So I just have like the 10th of July as my window day, sort of, So I'm keeping a meet and greet on that day, and it's an open event. I'm not gonna give out any invitations or anything. I'm not gonna ask for confirmations like we did last time, which was like a full-blown out like planned event. This is not planned. This is just like friends going and catching over a cup of coffee. So I'm gonna be at Costa Coffee, Palladium Mall, Lower Parel, Mumbai on the 10th of July this month. 10th of July this month. Wow, 10th of this month from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. I'm gonna be there, and I hope to see so many of SJ fam members there. We can click selfies, have a cup of coffee, talk, and just chill like homies. So yes, I hope to see you guys there, and can't wait to see Mumbai and be there, and as I said, meet you guys. And I'm so excited and I cannot talk, and this is just excitement now, and I'm rambling and ranting. So yes, this was my important and exciting announcement that I had to make. Hopefully a lot of SJ fam members from Mumbai can see this video before the 10th, so that you can make it, even if you like come at 4:59 p.m. on the 10th to Costa. I will be really happy. And yes, that is it. So I cannot wait to see you guys. Mark the date, save the date, whatever you want to say. 10 July 2015, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Costa Coffee, Palladium Mall, Lower Parel. I'm gonna be there, and I hope you're gonna be there too. And yes, hopefully I'm gonna have more meet and greets throughout the country. This is my second meet and greet in another city, and I'm so excited and I'm panting now. So I should just cut short this video because I'm just gonna repeat the same points again. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you to bits, and let's meet, and I will see you guys not only in my next video but in Mumbai. Till then, take care. Bye.